Have you ever wanted to start your own e-commerce store but been overwhelmed by the thought of finding and sourcing products? If so, then Spocket is the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how Spocket works with Shopify to make it easy for you to find and sell products from all over the world. What is Spocket? Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect with suppliers from all over the world. You can then add their products to your Shopify store and sell them without having to worry about inventory or shipping. How does Spocket work with Shopify? To use Spocket with Shopify, you will need to create an account with both platforms. Once you have done that, you can connect your Spocket account to your Shopify store. Once your accounts are connected, you can start browsing Spocket's catalog of products. You can filter products by category, price, and other criteria. When you find a product that you want to sell, you can add it to your Shopify store. Spocket will automatically create a product listing for you, including a description, images, and pricing. Once you have added a product to your store, you can start selling it. When a customer places an order for your product, Spocket will automatically place an order with your supplier. Your supplier will then ship the product directly to your customer. Benefits of using Spocket with Shopify. There are many benefits to using Spocket with Shopify. Some of the benefits include: easy to set up. It is easy to connect your Spocket account to your Shopify store. Large selection of products. Spocket has a large catalog of products from all over the world. No inventory or shipping. You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping when you use Spocket. Automatic product listings. Spocket will automatically create product listings for you. Dropshipping. Spocket will automatically place orders with your suppliers and ship products directly to your customers. If you are looking for an easy way to start your own e-commerce store, then Spocket is the perfect solution for you. Spocket makes it easy to find and sell products from all over the world without having to worry about inventory or shipping. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay tuned.